Hey guys, welcome to G-Force. Today I have our shock bar mount for 55 to 57 Chevy, or a Tri-Five. So what this is it's a bar that goes in between your frame rails that allows for upgraded mounting position for your shocks. So if you don't know already, the Tri-Five cars, the shocks for those cars mounted to the body. It's a very thin sheet metal and it does rot out, and then your shocks get sent through the floorboards of your car. So what this does is it allows for a very sturdy mounting position for those shocks. Another thing to note about this shock bar brace is that it comes with these spacers to account for varying frame widths, and it comes powder coated black with the necessary hardware to bolt it to your frame. If you want to find out more about this product or any of our other new products, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.